How to disable auto download on mobile data on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable auto download media on mobile data on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and now click on your profile here and then just click the settings icon and now click data and storage, and here you will find auto download media. Click on it and then click only on Wi-Fi, or you can select never, and just don't click on this one here, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.